Equity is on course to plant 35 million trees across Kenya. A spot check recently indicated 90% of the seedlings planted over the last 2 years have survived. The grand project started in 2019 to mark the 35th anniversary of the establishment of Equity, translating to 1 million trees every year since the bank began its operations in 1984. The exercise kicked off with the planting of 3,500 tree seedlings in Miotoni block of Ngong Forest in Karen, Nairobi, led by the Group Managing Director and CEO, Dr. James Mwangi.
We are formally launching the planting of 35 million trees. The board has set aside 350 million Kenya shillings to support this initiative. We really focus on transforming lives and livelihoods of our people over the continent at large. But increasingly, it has become apparent to us that sustaining the transformation of lives require an integration with the conservation of the environment.
The next stop was Meru University of Science and Technology's Botanical Garden, where 40,000 tree seedlings were planted on a single day.
Since we started planting trees from just before 2016 up to now, you can see the place is beautiful. I enjoy walking here 45-30 minutes every day. The air is fresh, the dust is gone, the place is just beautiful. The hotness that used to be there is no longer there. And I think we can only celebrate the good thing that has come as a result of planting trees. Trees bring rain. Trees are the oxygen. Trees is the fertility of the soil. Trees are life.
By the close of the year 2020, 3.4 million tree seedlings had been planted in various parts of the country. The national drive saw Equity branches mobilize communities and their leaders to plant indigenous and fruit tree seedlings in hospitals, schools, universities and churches. Equity and the Kenya Forest Service joined the University of Nairobi in their annual planting exercise that saw 7,000 trees planted in 7 campuses. At the launch of the initiative at the Wangari Maathai Institute of Peace and Environmental Studies, University of Nairobi Vice-Chancellor Professor Stephen Kiama said the exercise would plant the seeds of peace and hope for future generations.
When we plant those trees of different types, different varieties, we believe that the birds will just come and be able to enjoy that environment. Others will be able to provide shade. And many of the trees also are able to provide the medicine. Therefore, perhaps bring even hope to those birds, to the insects and the others that can be able to breed and survive within that environment.
We as Equity Bank will continue to work with you in planting trees. In the last 1 year, we have planted over 4 million trees. And today we join you in the exercise of executing 7,000 of them.
We believe in partnerships. We have now an open door policy that we believe that we can only achieve this when we work in partnership with all people of good intent. I want to appreciate the role Equity Group has played and undertaken towards tree growing and supporting the country to achieve the 10% tree cover by 2022. This day therefore draws attention to the increased need for collaboration by various players in tree growing initiative.
In Rongai, Kajiado County, the local community, supported by Kazi Mtaani, turned up in large numbers in support of the initiative that saw 5,000 tree seedlings planted at the African Nazarene University's main campus.
This is really a demonstration that this is a partner that we can work together, because they are not only thinking about today, but they are thinking about generations. Because I remember when I was growing up, one of the investments that I was told about generations is planting trees and taking care of our mother nature.
Equity Ngara branch enlisted support from the Kazi Mtaani program by partnering with the Ministry of Interior and Coordination of National Government to plant 3,300 trees at Mathare National Teaching and Referral Hospital.
One of the ways of taking care of the environment is planting of trees. Today we have planted over 3,000 trees. In Mathare we have a target of planting over 4 million trees, which means when such organizations as Equity come and partner with us, they assist with getting that target.
More than 200 youth from Mathare sub-county came out and partnered with Equity Ngara staff to plant the tree seedlings in the hospital that focuses on mental health matters.
We are glad to partner with Equity, knowing very well that they are market leader when it comes to the banking world. We know that to have these people as part of our partners, we are going to do a lot for this hospital. Assisting the community is one of our mandates as a hospital, and we are glad that Equity has taken up also that bit of being involved in community projects which impact more, and we are happy that they are not just in the bank.
Among the trees planted were 200 ornamental trees and 100 grafted mango trees.
It's very hard to get a place where you can be able to plant trees and to have community participation the way we have seen. So my role is to ensure that community participation is there. We are seen to be responsibly engaged in conserving the environment. We want the community to be with us because beyond transactions, there is perpetuity.
Trees are not just for shades, they are also sustainers of life. Take control, utilize it, and protect it for future generation. Not just for ourselves, not just for our children, but for our children and generations yet to be born.
Unajua ukiumiza muti, mwishowe sio muti umeumiza mazingira, na ikiumia pale mto uko, where the lake is, where the water body is, mimi nikiwa pale naumia. Tukipanda ile miti na tuchunge, beneficiary atakuwa mimi ni pale, ndio tuwe na maji safi, sio maji taka, na ndio tuweze kuyanywa, na ndio tuweze pia kupunguza maradhi ambao tunaweza kupunguza tukitumia maji safi.
Led by Nairobi East Regional Manager Kenneth Mogona, Equity Enterprise branch staff planted 300 trees at the Mata Hospital as part of an initiative to green the hospital compound.
The Sisters of Mercy have given us that allocations where we are planting trees, and so far we have planted over 25,200 and we are still counting.
We really feel privileged that you thought of us, and I assure you, Equity Group, that these trees are going to flourish. I urge the Mata Hospital staff, the management and every department, please nurture your tree.
Equity Group Chairman Professor Isaac Masharia led a team from Equity to plant 2,000 trees at the Thika High School as he represented the Thika High Old Boys Association.
We realize the importance of the environment in creating opportunities for wealth creation, because if we don't have a good environment, you know that climate change is because we have not paid attention to our environment, and climate change has so much impact, including poverty. So when you want to alleviate poverty, take care of your environment.
The 2021 World Environment Day under the theme Ecosystems Restoration was marked by the planting of 65,000 trees in partnership with Nyandarua County Government at the Nyakanja Springs, supported by Naivasha, Ol Kalou and Nyahururu branches.
This county is blessed with rains, so it rains quite regularly. So we make sure that we take advantage. So for every time there are rains, we'll be able to partner with Equity and other friends of the environment and be able to increase the portfolio of the county from 22% forest cover possibly to more than 30%.
In total, Nyandarua County benefited with 115,000 seedlings of both fruit and indigenous trees that included 50,000 tree seedlings planted in Kipipiri.
Hii program tayari imeanza, hata miti ingine imeanza kukua. Equity Bank tuwazungumzia, wakasema watasaidiana na sisi. Wana haja kupanda miti na sisi tunahitaji miti. Kwa tukaona zote tunaelekea pamoja.
Na sisi kama Equity, hiyo ni kitu moja tumewekelea maanani sana. Tree planting is quite important in our daily lives. Na nimeshukuru sana wakati tulifika hapa tukaona mko watu wengi sana. Kwa hivyo hata nyinyi mmeshikilia hii maneno vizuri.
To ensure survival of the seedlings, a digital monitoring system is used where the progress of the tree is mapped to a mobile phone.
The issues of climate change are real, and climate change is coming because of years of industrialization and human activity through deforestation and agriculture, and the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere now are at some levels that are very, very high. One of the ways in which we can sequester that carbon from the atmosphere is by planting trees. And as a corporate organization, we want to take leadership by planting trees, and that's why we plan to plant 35 million trees.
The tree planting initiative to plant 35 million trees has seen 7 million trees planted in less than 2 years and counting, and is pegged to the bank's 35th anniversary marked in 2019, which stands for 1 million trees every year since the bank began its operations in Kenya. The initiative was driven by the bank's pursuit to promote sustainable finance by concentrating on people and planet as it conducts business.